How to buy Bitcoin on crypto.com. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your crypto.com application, and over here click on this option of home at the bottom left hand side corner. Then click on this option of buy. After that, select the option of Bitcoin. Simply search for it and you will be able to find it. After that, just simply select the one-time purchase, and this way you would be able to prompted to select the payment method. If you have already set up your payment method, then just simply choose your current payment method. And if you are yet to set your payment method, then just simply click on this option of add payment method and add your bank details, and this way you would be able to transfer the funds from your bank account in order to purchase the Bitcoin. After that, just simply click on purchase, and this way you would be able to purchase the Bitcoin on crypto.com. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.